Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, where we dive deep into the world of words. Today, we're uncovering the meaning of the word furbished. So, what does furbished mean? In English, furbished typically means to renovate, refresh, or polish something, making it look new or revived. Furbish comes from the Old French word furber, which means to polish. It's often used when talking about restoring something to a good condition, like an old piece of furniture or a historical building. Now, let's dive into some synonyms. Words like refurbished, renovated, restored, and polished share similar meanings. Each of these words can be used to describe the process of making something look new again. For example, you might say, they furbished the old mansion to its former glory, or he furbished the antique watch until it shone like new. Each synonym has its own subtle differences. Refurbished often implies functional updates, renovated suggests structural improvements, while polished emphasizes surface enhancement. And that wraps up our exploration of furbished. I hope this helps you add a new word to your vocabulary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more episodes of Thesaurus Thrive. Keep expanding your word knowledge, and as always, keep thriving with words.